Great leaders are not afraid to lose people. This may seem counterintuitive. We often think of strong leaders as those who build empires, retaining their best and brightest. However, true leadership embraces a more profound perspective. It recognizes that growth often necessitates movement. Just as a parent rejoices when their child spreads their wings, a great leader finds satisfaction in witnessing their team members evolve and pursue their aspirations, even if it leads them away. This approach isn't about pushing people out the door. It's about cultivating an environment where growth is championed, where individuals are empowered to explore their potential, regardless of where that journey may lead. It's about recognizing that holding someone back from a fulfilling opportunity serves neither them nor the organization in the long run. This philosophy might seem risky. Why invest in developing talent only to see it walk away? The answer lies in the heart of what true leadership embodies: trust, empowerment, and a commitment to something larger than oneself. Great leaders understand that fostering such an environment yields invaluable returns. It attracts ambitious individuals, fuels innovation, and cultivates a culture of loyalty and respect that extends far beyond the walls of the organization. In contrast to these empowering figures stand leaders driven by fear. These individuals, often clinging to a scarcity mindset, view employees as replaceable cogs in a machine. They prioritize immediate output over long-term growth and perceive an employee's departure as a threat to their own security. These leaders create environments of stagnation. Employees are stifled, their potential capped by the limited vision of their superiors. Opportunities for advancement are scarce, and innovation is stifled by a culture of fear and control. The irony is that these leaders, in their attempt to hoard talent, inadvertently cultivate the very conditions that drive valuable employees away. The most ambitious and capable individuals will inevitably seek opportunities for growth and recognition elsewhere, leaving behind a residue of mediocrity and resentment. The departure of top performers becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, further reinforcing the leader's fear and perpetuating a vicious cycle of stagnation. Between these two extremes lie good leaders. These individuals recognize the importance of employee growth and actively seek to provide opportunities for advancement within the organization. They invest in training programs, offer mentorship opportunities, and strive to create a clear path for career progression. These leaders are invested in the success of their team members and understand that a happy and fulfilled employee is a productive one. They cultivate a positive work environment where contributions are recognized and rewarded, and employees feel valued and respected. While these leaders represent a significant improvement over those driven by fear, they often operate within the confines of the organization's structure. Their focus is primarily on vertical growth, promoting from within and nurturing talent to fill existing roles. This approach, while commendable, can sometimes limit an individual's potential, especially in cases where their aspirations lie beyond the scope of the organization. Great leaders, however, transcend these limitations. They understand that true growth often necessitates exploration beyond familiar territory. They recognize that by empowering their team members to pursue their passions, even if it means leaving the organization, they are not losing talent, but rather contributing to a larger ecosystem of excellence. These leaders adopt a mentorship mindset that extends beyond the traditional employer-employee relationship. They become trusted advisors offering guidance and support even as their protégés spread their wings and soar to new heights. This approach fosters a deep sense of loyalty and respect. Employees who have felt seen, valued, and empowered are more likely to speak highly of their experience and act as ambassadors for the organization's values, even after they have moved on. Moreover, this philosophy creates a virtuous cycle. The organization's reputation as a breeding ground for talent attracts ambitious individuals eager to learn and grow. The constant influx of fresh perspectives and ideas fosters innovation and prevents stagnation. The organization becomes a dynamic hub of excellence, attracting and nurturing top talent and contributing to the broader industry landscape. A powerful example of this leadership philosophy can be seen in the late Steve Jobs. Jobs, a visionary leader known for his unwavering pursuit of excellence, understood that true innovation often required looking beyond the walls of Apple. Throughout his career, he encouraged his team members to pursue their passions, even if it meant leaving Apple to do so. He recognized that by empowering his employees to follow their dreams, he was not only fostering their personal growth, but also contributing to a broader ecosystem of innovation that would ultimately benefit Apple in the long run. This approach, while seemingly counterintuitive, proved incredibly successful. Many former Apple employees went on to found their own companies, creating a vibrant network of innovators and entrepreneurs who continued to push the boundaries of technology. This ripple effect ultimately benefited Apple, as these companies often became partners, collaborators, and even acquisition targets, further strengthening Apple's position as a leader in the tech industry. The impact of empowering leadership extends far beyond the immediate organization. When leaders prioritize the growth and well-being of their team members, they contribute to a ripple effect that positively impacts entire industries and communities. Individuals who have been empowered to reach their full potential are more likely to become leaders themselves, carrying forward the values of mentorship, support, and a commitment to something larger than themselves. This creates a virtuous cycle of growth and innovation, as more and more individuals are inspired to pursue their passions and make a meaningful impact on the world. This legacy of empowerment is far more valuable than any short-term gains achieved through fear and control. It's a testament to the enduring power of true leadership, one that recognizes that the greatest measure of success lies not in what we hold on to, but in what we empower others to achieve. In conclusion, great leaders are not afraid to lose people. They understand that true leadership is about empowering others to reach their full potential, even if it means their paths diverge. This philosophy, while seemingly counterintuitive, is the hallmark of true leadership. It requires courage, vision, and a deep belief in the power of human potential. By embracing this approach, leaders create a legacy that extends far beyond the walls of their organizations, fostering a ripple effect of growth, innovation, and positive impact that benefits entire industries and communities for generations to come. Let us strive to be these kinds of leaders, the ones who empower flight, celebrate success, and find joy in watching our team members soar to heights they never thought possible.